going on, YouTube family? Welcome back to another episode of Flight for Hype.
Take them! What the fuck? Woo!
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jordan Sam, and I'm back again from Flight for Hype. Today I'm at Hotbox because, well, right now I'm at the Shoreway location and I'm going to be managing this place, so it's really awesome. Shout out to Hotbox, guys. If you're not following Hotbox on Instagram, follow them at hotbox_to. Guys, shout out to my boy Chris, man. Thank you for letting me review these pairs. You guys see we have the Yeezy 450s. You can see the box. It's actually really skinny, and it's crazy because you do see it's a size 9, and it's your boy's size, so we're gonna have to see, you know. Let me take it out of the box for you guys. Boom! You guys see the Yeezy 450. This colorway is so crazy. This one is called the Cloud White. We have the Cloud White colorway, as you can see, and I love this. I love to see that when Yeezy puts something out, he literally does what he says, and these were definitely heavily anticipated, and I like that. You see that they're so different. A lot of people have been calling these the dumplings, and I'm not gonna lie, they do look like dumplings. They do look a lot like the pictures, and I like that because this is what I expected. On the upper, you do see like this nice prime knit material, and of course you've got the Cloud White all over. You see here that it does come with the rope laces, and it's cool because it's kind of got the infinity lacy system. You obviously have the rope laces with these really nice lace tips, and you can see on the bottom here the new outsole literally looks exactly what the pictures look like. I really like these. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is so crazy. You can see on the bottom it has like basically only Adidas branding on here, and this outsole is nice and wavy, right, Isaac? This is nice and wavy. You see this? This is really crazy. Isaac, get in here, bro. For these 450s, I feel like you go to true to size, and I really like that because it's actually a kind of a sleek silhouette. Even though this part in the outsole is chunky, having them in hand, they're actually not as bulky as I thought they were going to be. You know what I mean? What do you think about these, Isaac?
I love these. I don't care about what. I love these. These dumplings, I love these. I love these. I love these. I'm gonna have myself a pair. Yes, I don't care. I'm sure these are gonna be like 1200.
Yeah, 100%, right? And keep in mind too, every time Yeezy drops a new silhouette, the first colorway always is the most expensive because it is the OG colorway. Like I said, this is the Cloud White. You can see there's not a lot to it, but really comfortable. And of course, this technology in the insole has the Ortholite insole, as you can see right there. And you can see that when you put this on, it's more of like a sock. It's more of a low cut, if anything. Like a low, almost a mid. I haven't tried these on at all. I'm gonna see if I can get a pair for myself. But I'm really happy to see these in hand and finally actually get some perspective on them. Honestly, I don't really know the retail of these. I just know that these are going for resale for a lot of money. And I guarantee you that these are gonna go up like crazy. I guarantee you they will. I feel like this is gonna be $1,000 shoe sometime. Mark my words, trust me. Now, a small detail that I want to show you guys on this sneaker here is that if you look very closely, this part here you have the Cloud White, and it kind of transitions into like a darker beige. It's very slight, but I'm not sure if you guys want to legit check or anything. But if you do see that detail, then 100% like that's something to definitely look for as well. Let me know in the comments down below, did you guys cop this sneaker? Let me know, would you flip it or would you keep it? I know that there's gonna be a lot of resale on this, and trust me, this is a really different shoe to get used to. A lot of people are still gonna not get used to this. Like right now I'm wearing the foam runners and I'm still getting used to them. I've wanted the foam runners for a very long time. I love the direction that Yeezy is going. There's so many different silhouettes I know that Yeezy's gonna come out with. Like those 1050s are going to be insane. Trust me when I say this, the 1050s are gonna be crazy. I know that people are gonna go crazy for those. In my opinion, I feel like when those drop, those are gonna be the sneaker of the year. I don't know what it is. I've been getting into Yeezys a little bit more lately. I've sold a lot of my Jordans, and I'm kind of getting into Yeezy more just because I'm appreciating getting more different silhouettes instead of having to buy the same silhouette over and over in the same colorway. You know what I mean? So the 450 is definitely a one that I really want to, and I'm gonna see if I can get this pair because, you know, it's your boy's size 9. Yo, Liam.
Yo.
Honestly, bro, what do you seriously think about
Okay. Now, I've said on numerous occasions that it looks like a sperm cell, but it's not terrible. Like, if you can pull it off, which I feel like you could, because it's just like me, smaller sizes, a lot of shoes look better. I feel like this is one of those shoes. Nonetheless, honestly, it's not a terrible shoe. The design is definitely unique. I don't know if I'd wear it.
Watch, when you get a 14 coming in, you're gonna be like, damn, I want it.
Oh no, they'll be comfortable as hell.
Trust me, this sneaker right here, guys, I'm telling you right now, for me, this is like the Yeezy of the year right now. Yes, okay, check this out. Right now, I've got the foam runners on. As you can see, got the foams. I absolutely love this. This is the fit that I created today. Just something simple. You know what I mean? This guy was in the Zara pants.
And
you know what I mean?
Fast Grays, motherfucker.
Oh!
They came. I
That's
got
crazy.
them, wore them.
And you got the Vast Grays. But yeah, check this out, guys. We have the Yeezy 450 dumplings. But yes, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. Follow me on Instagram at JXSFilms. And shout out to CJ. He's been killing it lately as well. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go to work now and actually like do some work. So thanks so much for watching. Peace.